Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can adjust items on catalog avatars. So if you go to the effects section here, you can actually select the items you want to adjust. Go to transform item, and here you can kind of move it right and left and up and down and also back and forth. I did turn on the Roblox bounce so that it's a little bit more accurate. So as you can see, this is still in bounds here. You can even like rotate it, like facing up, down, and then left, right. You can kind of rotate it that way and this way as well. I'm just going to select cancel on that. And then you can also scale it as well here. Make it smaller and make it bigger. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.